something.
Let's look at it. Oh, it's so. Oh no! Look at it. Come outside. It's so nice outside. So nice outside. Yeah. No, not that. Not anything but that. Come here. No, come back. Come here. Aw, what is he doing?
Hello, guy.
What should we call him?
Doofy.
Come on, Doofy. Oh, Doofy! How could you, Doofy?
What did Doofy do?
Doofy just, that's his guts, and he's rubbing it on his.
Doofy.
Doofy.
Here you go, Doofy.
Bad Doofy. Come over here now. Go to your room.
Come on, Doofy, now.
You have to go throw out the garbage, Doofy.
Come on, Doofy.
Doofy!
Doofy.
Can you grab that? I need to hold the garbage.
Yeah, Doofy. Doofy.
Doofy!
Doofy. Oh, I'm so sorry, Doofy.
It's too heavy? Okay, I'll open there. Come on, let's go outside.
Come on, Doofy.
It's a little rainy, but it's okay.
No, Doofy, come back.
What is he doing?
Doofy, come back. Come back.
Doofy, you don't know.
Doofy, come on.
Let's
Fine.
go.
I know you wanted to go swimming, but we'll take you swimming. Come on.
What? We have to discuss this as a family.
I'm sorry. Doofy, come on.
Doofy!
But I thought since
Wait,
today's
what's
his
wrong?
birthday.
Wait.
Come on.
Did you see that?
Come on.
What was that?
We'll get you some ice cream.
Wait, stick your face
We'll get you
out.
some ice cream.
Stick your face.
We'll get you some ice cream. Come on.
Come
We'll
on.
get you some ice cream.
Okay, guys, we need to talk as a family.
Bye. Are you okay?
Doofy, I got your guts.
Barbara.
Doofy. Doofy, I got your guts.
Bad Doofy.
You smell. Where are you smelling it?
I got your guts.
Come on, Doofy. The fun, lovable bear that's got to fall.
Oh my god,
We
he's
have
gonna
to throw
fall.
out the garbage, actually. We're taking way too long. Aww. Look at him die. Scoot down, Goofy. Slide.
Doofy. You can do it, Doofy.
Look at him.
No, it's pulling out
All
his face.
around me
Come on,
are
Doofy.
familiar
Come on, Doofy.
faces, worn out places, worn out places.
Come on, Doofy.
Oh no, wake me up inside. Ah.
Come on, Doofy.
Okay, we're throwing it out without you, Doofy. Bye.
Bye, Doofy.
Throwing out the garbage. Okay.
Hurry.
Ah!
Come on.
I can't pause the video. Is he okay? Is Doofy okay?
Guys.
What happened?
Do you have a hair tie on you?